So I come into the shop and we've got a new jig. Craig, who has made most of the jigs in the shop, they're beautiful. He has made this jig to help make dovetails. It's more than jig, it's a whole bunch of things. I just want to show you it because it's very cool. All right, so I'm building a little tray with dovetails, and I scribed how deep we want them, and then I just, with pencil marks, a little hard to see on the walnut, but showed where we want the dovetails. So these are 9 degrees. So Greg's made this, well, 2 parts to it. One is the blade. This is a special blade with the tips ground to a 9-degree angle, and the blade here is tipped to 9 degrees. And so the top of the blade is going to cut the shoulder perpendicular to the edge of the wood. So let's try it. There are 2 things we have to nail. We have to nail the height of the blade so that the blade's going to go to our scribe line. We want to ease into that. And then we also want, so just going to make this symmetrical on both sides. We're going to put a stop block once we like where we are. We'll put a stop block, and that'll let us do both sides the same and both ends the same. Okay, so we've got the blade set properly, the height of the blade set properly, and we've got a stop block. So let's give it a go. Looks perfect. So now we'll just repeat it for all sides. All right, with the first stop block and doing one side and then flipping over to the other side, we've got our 4 outside cuts, our shoulders, and now we will adjust the stop block and do the 2 middle ones. Knock that off the machine there, and so we'll go up to the bench room and just clean off these corners, and we're pretty good to go.